momentous fundraising spectacular event, Pursuit of Happiness. A Bollywood dance drama that promises to inspire, entertain, and most importantly, bring us together for a meaningful cause. I am Madhulika Gaur. I am the event lead for 87's fundraising committee, and I have the absolute honor of being your MC tonight. We are gathered here not only to witness a beautiful performance, but also to take a part in something bigger, building a legacy for our community. More on that in just a moment. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate the energy in this room. Come on! Isn't it amazing to see so many of you here? I need one more round of applause. So, before we begin, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Dash, all our esteemed VIP guests and dignitaries. We are deeply grateful for your presence and support. I especially wanted to acknowledge Dr. Dash. He recently received his Lifetime Achievement Award. And I invite Dr. Dash to light the lamp. And also, along with Dr. Dash, I would like to invite our priests, Gautamji and Abhilashji, and our artist, Shivanujaji, Achintya, Anukrishnan. Please come here. We will light the lamp here itself, so that we can have a space for the play. Thank you, Ganeshi, for helping.
Devim Vachamadhanayanta Devaha Tam Vishwarupah Pashavo Vadanti Sano Mantreshamor Janduhana Jenarvagasmanu Pasuštutaidu Shubhamuhurtostu Supratishthitamastu Sangrahanyeshtyayajate Iman Janatagam Sangranhanete Dvadasharatne Rashana Bhavate Dvadashamasa Samvatsaraha Samvatsarameva Varunde Maunje Bhavate Urvai Munjaha Urjameva Varunde Chitra Nakshatram Bhavate Chitram Va Etat Karma Yadashvamedas Samruddhye Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Deepan Jyoti Parabrahma Deepan Jyoti Divakara Deepena Harate Papam Tasmai Jyotirnamostute.
Pursuit of Happiness, the dance drama. So now I'm moving to the main event, the cultural program of the evening. This performance is marking the 22nd anniversary of RGK Dance Academy, and we are so grateful to Renuji and her team of artists for their generosity in making this event a reality. I would like to invite Renuji. Renuji, please come on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, our very first show, Chitrahar, helped build our mandir in 2004. And tonight, we celebrate next chapter with the new generation. We are deeply honored to be in a community that believes in the power of dance, culture, art, and togetherness.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram Satyam Shivam Sundaram Satyam Shivam Sundaram Sundaram Satyam Shivam Sundaram Satyam Shivam
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा वाले चल और रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
because I can feel her happiness. I know a lot of people find it very difficult to explain the true meaning of happiness. People spend their whole lives in the pursuit of real happiness.
I don't understand this philosophy.
Okay, let me explain it to you with a real life example of one of my friends and her teammates.
Wow, sir, what a great show. Amazing show in Minneapolis. मजा आ गया जी, मजा आ गया.
I know. I love Minneapolis. I love the people and the atmosphere. It was awesome. Plus, जब audience इतनी energetic हो तो show में तो मजा आ ही जाता है.
बिल्कुल सही, correct, sir, 100% correct. I can see the audience and you both enjoying. Oh, it was amazing. Amazing.
By the way, where are we going next?
ले जी, we are going back home, sir जी, आमची मुंबई.
Oh, Mumbai, my second home.
How can you forget? You have big show in Mumbai.
Oh, I haven't forgotten. I was just thinking if we can get some good dancers like here RGK Dance Academy, it would be awesome. If you can arrange them, फिर तो मजा ही आ जाएगा.
ले sir जी, great mind thinks alike. I am already talking to Renu ma'am, and you know she's amazing lady. She's ready to help us. She's real gem. Let me talk to her and confirm to you. Let me talk to her.
Awesome, let's get it done.
Yeah.
फिर तो अपन
चकदांगे फटे.
लग गई आग दिल में रहा
Hey girls, you look happy and energetic. Why did you get me in here for?
Hey Harry, how was it? Did you like our dance?
The dance you just did?
Yes, yes.
You could have asked to any fine folks over here. Why me?
Because you are our BFF.
Okay, honest opinion, it is just a starter.
I wish I could do it more often. Here I am, stuck in this big banking job with no reprieve.
This is the ultimate truth of our life. So many things have changed. How I wish I could go back and change few more things.
Yeah, like I could be in Bollywood instead of the Wall Street. I want to dance. Like a dancing queen, with the Taj Mahal in the backdrop and the river flowing to the side.
And you know, I always wanted to be an environment scientist. And here I am, recycling other people's travel blogs. How I wish I could explore further, immerse in nature, and understand its true essence.
है जो लहू मेरा बहता चला देखो जुनून मेरा कहता चला ख्वाबों का थामता जो बहता चला
We need a break!
Hey, I have an idea. We could go to Spain and maybe chill out.
Why don't you take a chill pill, Harry? We should be doing something really nice. What are we waiting for?
For the right opportunity, babes. I've been thinking about it for a long time now, and I'm just trying to find a good reason to go for it.
Hey team, I have exciting news.
What's that, Renuji?
You know Mikha Singh? He loved our performance in Minneapolis, Minnesota, that now he's invited us to perform in Mumbai, India.
Stop kidding.
No, and it gets even better. He is willing to pay for this whole trip.
That is so great.
Team, we are going to India.
You guys, this is gonna be our pursuit
Of happiness.
Party time.
late and you are never on time. I don't know what is happening. Oh, I can see them. Oh, ढोल बजाओ आगे. Ding, 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 ding. Sorry जी, sorry, wrong person. Oh my God. Sorry. हद हो गई है तेरी. He looks like American. हद है भैया तेरी तो हद है. If I miss them today, I will tell you, huh? If they go back, I will not let you live. Let me see. Oh, आगे आए ढोल बजाए. Ding, 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 ding. वाह जी वाह. First wrong person, then invisible person. Shabash. Every time I think this is your limit, next second you prove you are unlimited. मान गए. If आज मिस कर दिया ना और मुंह बंद रखना, don't talk anything, हाँ? Just these are American people, you have to be quiet, okay? हाँ. मिस ना करो. Oh, I can see रेनू मैडम. ओए ढोल बजाओ, रेनू मैडम आ गई है. डिंग डिंग टिकट. ओए सच्ची आ गई है, बजाओ यार. Welcome रेनू मैडम. Welcome.
Babita ji, good to see you.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Here's my
Oh,
team.
1 second रेनू मैम. Bye. Hi.
Oh, thank you.
So
Thank you.
cute madam.
Team, this is Babita ji, Mika Singh's PA. Team, this is Aisha.
नमस्ते. Hi Aisha. Very pretty. ओए अमेरिकन हिंदी सुने हैं.
And Priya.
आए ते माला दे दीदी आई है. ओए होए very खूबसूरत. Very pretty. ओए होए.
And then Harry. Harry.
Where is Harry जी? Harry जी?
किधर है? You worked with him, right?
Oh, हाँ. Oh, I can see Harry जी. देखो वो आ गया. देखो वो आ गया.
Just the immigration man.
Oh, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਸਣਾ ਸੀ. Welcome ਜੀ, welcome.
Thank you. Long time awaited selfie, please.
Oh, yeah.
Long time awaited.
Please follow me also now on Instagram.
Definitely.
Babita.com, huh?
Oh, Babita ji, can you come out of your dream?
1 second ji. She's in hurry.
All right.
We will talk, huh? Let's go, huh? Let me call, huh? Okay.
Oh, Babita ji, we've got things to do, places to go, shall we?
Yeah. We will go.
I have a question for you.
Uh-huh.
So this whole trip, who's paying for this whole thing?
छड्डो जी, you are guest, huh? हद करते हो मैडम, हद करते हो. You are our guest. Everything is on us. Just enjoy, chill, relax, girls. Enjoy.
But where are we going to practice our dances?
Harry ji, these girls are always in hurry. Oh my God, we have big studio here in Mumbai. You know Rahul? Oh my God, he is a genie. He has big studio in Mumbai. You all are going to practice there. And just wait, let me call my car, huh? हाँ गणपत? Yeah, Americans here. Yeah. हाँ, I want limo now only. Yeah. Just limo is coming, madam.
I'll go grab my coffee.
Yeah. Just 1 second.
Should I go in limo or?
No. I have my BMW for you, sir. Why? Yeah,
see why I bumped into you.
What?
Sorry, my apologies. I wasn't looking where I was going. By the way, I saw you dance. Are you like a struggling actor or a model?
For now, just an investment banker from the USA.
Ooh, so you're like a goddess of wealth, like goddess Lakshmi?
What? No, I'm Aisha. What do you mean?
Can I get your autograph?
Excuse me, but why are you wasting my time? Who are you?
I'm Rahul. Surely you must have heard my name.
No, you're not a famous person.
Well, this not-so-famous person runs a dance studio where Priyanka Chopra Jonas practices her dance, and you were also practicing in my studio.
Oh, wow! You mean the Priyanka Chopra Jonas? No kidding, please. I've always had two wishes. One, to meet Priyanka, and two, to dance. In front of the Taj Mahal. Please don't kid around.
Priyanka will be here tomorrow. If you want, I can fulfill your first wish and get you an exclusive interview for our upcoming movie rehearsal.
Oh my gosh, Priya, come over here and listen to this.
What is it?
Meet, I'm sorry. What did you say your name was again?
I'm Rahul. Surely you must have heard my...
Anyway, he's going to let us meet Priyanka Chopra Jonas.
The one who danced on Desi Go.
Yes, her!
और मेरी तन्हाई मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं
तुम भी हो मैं भी हूँ पास आओ तो कह दूँ आखिर क्यों पल में यूं दीवाना मैं हो गया
Excuse me. My name is Riyan. May I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
I'm really curious. Why did you put the garbage in your bag? You know, you could have thrown it around just like everybody else does.
You see, why should I throw trash here or there? I care for our environment. By the way, what's in your bag?
Well, it's a garbage man. I'm a professional garbage collector.
Seriously?
No, just kidding. Actually, I'm an environmentalist. I've been working on a project to clean the Ganga River. And I'm just visiting here for a couple days in Mumbai. But you know, I just couldn't help cleaning some of the mess out here. There's so much trash.
That's so noble of you. We often overlook our natural resources and environment. By the way, your Clean Ganga campaign sounds very interesting. Why don't you tell me more about it?
Of course, I would love to tell you more about it. But you know what? It's really nice to meet someone who is so much interested in the environment and Mother Nature. Are you from around here?
No, I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm part of RGK Dance Academy. Me and my friends are here to perform at Mika Singh concert.
Wow. So you must be a great dancer then?
I don't know about being a great dancer, but I enjoy dancing. Hey, would you like to join us for coffee tomorrow? Maybe some of my friends will be able to help you with your Clean Ganga campaign.
Of course. It'll be my pleasure. I'd love to meet your friends.
Let's plan for it.
पास आ, मेरे पास आ, तू मुलाकातों में, काली रातों में, बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया, तेरी बातों में समझा जिया, बैठी ही बैठी मैंने दिल खो दिया, तेरी बातों में समझा जिया, बैठी ही बैठी मैंने दिल खो दिया।
इस दिल की राहों से बहके निगाहों से कातिल अदाओं से तुझको है फसाना, कुछ मीठी बातों से, कुछ झूठे वादों से, पक्के इरादों से दिल को है चुराना।
रख लूं सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा, गले लग जा, ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ, तू मुलाकातों में, काली रातों में, बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया, तेरी बातों में समझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया,
तेरी बातों में समझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया।
ये पाना ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है, तुमसे ही दिल होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी कहलाती है, तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना।
Hello. Hi, Priya.
Hi, Rian.
How are you?
I'm good. Hey, everyone, meet Rian.
Hi, Rian.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you. Hi, how are you?
Hey, Rian, why don't you tell everyone about your Clean Ganga campaign?
Oh, I would love to. So, I'm on a project to clean the Ganga River, starting from the city of Haridwar.
Where is Haridwar?
Well, Haridwar is considered the spiritual capital of India, where many famous people like Steve Jobs, John Lennon, Julia Roberts, they've all gone there seeking spirituality.
Oh, wow.
So what are your plans in the next few days?
Oh, over the next month, we will be traveling all over India with our RDK Dance Studio dancing team with Bhartaji in charge.
So actually, I already sent everything to Renuji. Renuji, you got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, but let me tell you guys also,
Sure.
because you should know, right? So we will start our journey from southern part of India. We will first go to Chennai.
And that's where I'm going to get my Kanchipuram sarees from Nalli.
Crazy people for shopping. After that, we will go to Hyderabad, where you can see Golconda Fort, Charminar, and Ramoji Film City.
Isn't that where they filmed Bahubali?
GK, good GK. And after that, we are planning to go to Kolkata, Bengal.
Oh, wow. Rasgulla and Mishti Dahi.
You will love Rasgulla. I'll take you there.
Yeah, everything about eating we Indians, right? But after that, actually, Renuji, you are a little bit late. If you came like 25 days, like before 25th of February, I will take you to Mahakumbh. And I was there. It was great experience, lifetime experience. But you missed it. But doesn't matter. I will show you pictures.
Show me the pictures, yeah.
Yeah. But after that, we are planning to go to Gujarat.
We can do Dandiya.
Oh, wow. In Gujarati thali?
Again eating, right? And after that, we are planning to go to Rajasthan.
Oh wow, we'll have dal bati and we're going to do boomer.
Yes.
Yeah, then after that, we are planning to go to Punjab, our wife. Then we are planning to conclude our journey at Haridwar. Everything looks good, Renuji?
Yep, absolutely. You know, India is so big, we can't cover everything. So next time when we come, we'll cover the remaining cities. Yeah, sounds good.
That's interesting. You have covered a lot of great places. I'm going to be in Haridwar, part of my Clean Ganga project. Would any of you like to join me there?
Wow, that's a great opportunity. Actually, this experiencing spirituality in Haridwar was on my wish list for a long time. And so it's a great opportunity. I'm sure Babitaji will take great care of you guys. Can I leave with Rayan to go to Haridwar and experience this?
What is this, Hariji? Definitely I will take care of these guys. But what is this? I was counting on you.
Babitaji, I have full confidence in you and I will always be thinking about you all the time.
Well, Harry, I really hope you can join me there. Well, guys, it's really nice meeting you all. I need to run now. I have a meeting with the Department of Maharashtra to talk about some of the cleaning up they need to do here.
Hey, is this about your Clean Ganga campaign?
It's part of that. They want to know about it and they want to know how they can do something within Maharashtra.
Oh, do you mind if I join you?
I don't at all.
Hey, does anyone want to come with us?
No, you guys have fun.
You two have a great
Have a good
time.
time.
Hey, can we have street food on the way?
Yeah, I love some great places to have some chaat and golgappe.
Okay.
Yeah.
तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा, तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना, तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा, तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना, जो
Hey Renuji, Rahul wants to talk to you about something really important and urgent.
Renuji, I was wondering, can we take a small detour and go to Agra? I just want to fulfill Aisha's wish of dancing in front of the Taj Mahal.
I see where you're going with this. For you and Aisha, why not?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, ma'am. You're not just the best, you're beyond compare.
Amazing lady, amazing.
Uh-huh.
So I will send you some pictures, okay?
Yeah, why don't you show me right now?
Yeah, I will
Yeah,
show you,
I
yeah,
missed
yeah.
it.
But let
Yeah.
me talk to Hariji.
Okay, sounds good.
It's not good actually what he
See
is.
you.
So Hariji, what is this? What is this? I was
I
counting
hope
on
you
you.
understand. This was my on my wish list for a long time.
What's that?
I can make it up for you when you get to Haridwar.
No. Hariji, I am really disappointed. I planned so much. I was thinking I will take you to Chennai and there we will enjoy tiffins.
What is tiffin?
Tiffin? Oh my god, you don't know about South Indian food?
Oh, it's idli and dosa.
Oh, you people, only idli dosa from Chennai. There are
But I
so
go
many
off.
other things, Hariji. There are so many other things. And what about the temples? We were planning to
Oh
visit.
yeah, I have read about the temple architect Mahabalipuram. There is a close by Madurai temple. Oh my God, I have read a lot about the architecture.
And what is the use of talking now actually? What you did right now, you saw
Take a
that?
lot of pictures for me, please.
No. Without you, any picture is like useless for me, Hariji. I can't even imagine this trip without you. And you really, you are.
Sorry
I can't
about
even
that.
tell you. No.
But I will make it up, I promise, when you get to Haridwar.
So what do you think? I'm going with Renuji and everything will be fine?
What kind of shopping will you be doing?
Actually, she wants to do some shopping,
Okay.
like sari and all.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I will do.
All right.
But do you want me to get something for you?
Oh, I have heard about this lungi situation.
Oh God, this is lungi dance.
Oh.
It is like ladies wearing sari, gents wearing lungi. Nothing more than that actually.
Yeah, I would like to experience one of those if you can. The lungi thing.
But only from Chennai you are thinking this? We are
Oh,
going to
that's the lungi birthplace, right?
Lungi birthplace? What do you mean by lungi birthplace? Let's go and do some enjoy.
Educate me when you come back.
For sure. Let's do lungi dance, huh?
All right.
Let's go and do
Show me the steps.
Lungi dance.
This is the tribute to Dalaiwa, King Khan. Yo, honey singer. मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance. Disco में जब ये गाना बजेगा, on the floor आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा, on the floor आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance.
Historical landmarks such as the Charminar, Golconda Fort, and the Qutub tombs. It is famous around the world for its mouth-watering Hyderabadi biryani as well as halim, a Ramadan delicacy. Hyderabad is also known to many as Cyberabad because it is an IT hub for some of the most well-known IT companies, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnologies. Hyderabad is a booming film city many call Tollywood. Major Telugu films have been filmed there, such as the Bahubali film series.
to felicitate Renuji also for doing this wonderful program. Thank you, Renuji.
परमोम सा है मेरा जानू नश्तर है वो यही दूर दूर गूंजे फितूर पर बादशाह है मेरे जानू हो कड़वी है बोली दिल है रंगोली इसमें पत्थर क्यों लोग देखते हैं मुझको तो दिखता है इसने कोई सनम अंगारों का अंबर सा लगता है मेरा साले मेरी राहों में फूलों का रास्ता है मेरा साले आँख देखी ख्वाब देखे इसकी आँखों में सबने आँख देखा ख्वाब देखा इसकी आँखों में हमने इसकी मूंछों में पलके देखी है शान सबने पर इन्हीं मूंछों के पीछे देखी मुस्कान हमने शेरों की अगर रफ्तार हो इसकी रहती है उस पे सबकी नजर सो जाए जब सर गोद में खतर किसकी थकन काशे वाले को खबर अंगारों का अंबर सा लगता है मेरा साले ऐसा घरवाला मिल जाए तो घरवाली बाहर
Known for its diverse cultural heritage, rich history, and stunning landscapes. It is also home to Gandhi, Sardar Patel, and even the current Prime Minister of India. It has produced many business and hardworking people who are famous all around the world.
हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे मेरे गोरी तू मेरी गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे शर्म छोड़ी थोड़ी थोड़ी नैनों की है बोले छोड़ी शर्मी करने दे मेरी गोरी तू मेरी गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे
which is showcased in its rich history and majestic architecture across the state. It is the city lakes, palaces, Rajputs, and royalties. Is a culturally and historically rich state in eastern India, home to the city of Kolkata. Durga Puja is widely celebrated across the state, where people gather to admire the vibrant terracotta art pieces and theatrical performances, as well as enjoying famous Bengali sweets such as rasgulla and mishti doi. of India. People of Punjab have community, and their hospitality is their cultural identity.
तू होगी बंटू टू ओ प्रिय बंटू टू ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक टू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी जिप पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोई नहीं सादी विक्टोरिया तू कहती बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कहती बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
तेरी चादर उत्ते हनीमून कर मारिया सामने तेरा की साइज है 10 मारिया मन दा कुर्ता दिखता है सब कुछ क्लियर मारिया तेरे सामने लगता है छोटा पलंग मारिया
In the city of Agra, you can find one of the in the city.
Mind-blowing performance, Aisha. I have never seen such powerful performance.
All thanks to you, Rahul. Otherwise, my dream of dancing in front of the Taj Mahal wouldn't have been possible.
Well, one wish is still pending with me. Whenever you wish, just wish, and it will be completed.
Thank you so much.
Har Har Gange. child.
You are blessed, Harry Ji.
It's all because of Rayan, who involved me in his project of cleaning Ganga. Rayan is cleaning Ganga for his own happiness.
Your work brings you inner peace, which many people spend years looking for. Any work that you do for joy, peace, will bring the true peace.
Thank you, Guruji, and thank you all for helping me with the Clean Ganga project, especially you, Harry. I wish we could do many more projects like this so that we can save our planet.
Renuji, I have found immense peace, spirituality and happiness at this place. I would like to continue to stay here.
Harry, I'm really happy that you found your peace and spirituality here. But RGK's 22nd anniversary celebration is right round the corner. And this year, it's going to be epic. We need you there, Harry.
Fair enough, but after that, I am surely coming back.
That's fine. Actually, Babita ji, thank you so much for the hospitality to me and my team. You know what? Let me take this chance and invite you and your team to RGK's 22nd anniversary celebration in US.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. Hey, Rahul, why don't you come see our celebration in the US?
As you wish, my dear. Hey, Rian, why don't you join us?
Yeah, that's a great idea. Maybe you can come to Minnesota and help me with my climate change project to prevent global warming.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Let me wrap up my work here, and then I'm going to definitely come to Minneapolis, and I'm going to celebrate with you, and then we'll definitely work with you on your project.
I can't wait to join you guys.
Pleasure is all mine. Guruji, as you have realized, we are all here seeking inner peace, happiness and spirituality. Any guidance in this regard would be very much appreciated.
Meet me at Har Ki Pauri tomorrow morning. I'll teach you yoga and meditation. Har Har
Doubt.
What is it?
So these guys have completed their journey of pursuit of happiness in India's visit, and they have found the true meaning of happiness, right?
Absolutely right.
So what are they doing right now? Are they still happy or back to square one?
Do you really want to know how happy they are?
Yes, of course.
So tomorrow, I'm invited to RGK's 22nd anniversary, and they are celebrating it as a gala event. Would you like to come along?
Sure, let's check it out.
Absolutely, let's go.
जितने भी नचते निसारे कोई नहीं होते जैसा लगदा गिर गया
सारी दुनिया में जी हिट है पंजाबी सच नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच नचे 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 नच पंजाब नचे 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 आँख तेरी चाल मेरी जान जाती है हार जाए दिल तू जो पास आती है देख तेरी चाल मेरी जान जाती है हार जाए दिल तू जो पास आती है नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच 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 पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच 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 पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब नाच पंजाब
Mother, who are those ones whose story was told to me and who have found the true meaning of happiness? I can see many happy faces here. Let me answer that for you. Your mother's been telling me about your questions. You know why these people are so happy? Because they have found the true meaning of happiness. Happiness is not the same for everyone. For some, it's a sense of purpose. For some, personal growth. For some, meaningful relationships.
Absolutely right.
And it's not just from what you experience from the external circumstances, but it's what you make out of it. The change in perception, the change in values, that's what these people have found. And that's why they are so happy. Okay, I got it. But can I please meet the people in my mother's story? Of course, why not? Let's meet Harry and Babita.
तेरा साथ है कितना प्यारा कम लगता है जीवन सारा तेरे मिलन की लगन में हमें आना पड़ेगा दुनिया में दोबारा
Harry ji, what is pursuit of happiness for you?
My pursuit of happiness is to be with you in this sacred city in Haridwar.
And then there's Priya and Rian.
तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना जो होश था वो तो गया बदल दिए खुशबू जलाने लगी जादू
I found my happiness after visiting so many beautiful places in India and trying out so many good foods and also helping you with the Clean Ganga campaign.
Well, I'm sure you enjoyed all the street foods as much as you're working on the environment project.
I did.
Well, together, we can save the planet one project at a time.
And then there's Rahul and Aisha.
Your Highness, one wish is still pending with me. क्या हुक्म है मेरी मलिका?
क्या है तू? Rahul, you are just too much.
And then the creator, the choreographer, the director of this great show, the one and only, the real Renuji Kumar.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you all found the source of real happiness. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming and supporting the good cause to build a temple, extension of temple here in Minneapolis, in our temple. Thanks a lot. And I wish everyone stays happy, healthy, peaceful, and enjoy each moment of their life. This is our pursuit of happiness.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे